Time to take a look at the SK 9-piece long ball end hex key set. Alright, very nice presentation on these. I love that chrome finish. That is something you don't normally see on an Allen set. Alright, that's nice. So it does fold open, so if you want to put this thing in your toolbox and you want to have everything laid out so you can easily see it, you will have that option right here. Now we can see this does go all the way down to a 1.5 millimeter. So we got a 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, and then we got a 6, 8, 10. So that is labeled on the other side. Does slide very nicely, which is important because sometimes you get these guys and they do not slide very nicely. You actually have to fight it to get the thing in. Either that, or there's so much slop in it that these things fall out as soon as you flip it over. This actually holds it. So that is great. This is perfect tolerances for a holder. And they even put a little loop on there so you can attach that to something if you need to. We can see this is labeled. This is a 5 millimeter. This is S2 tool steel. And on the larger 10 millimeter, they did print that larger, so it can be easier to see. It's very rare to see a chrome finish on Allens like this. I'm very happy to see that because it's going to make these things much easier to clean. So we do have a flat or a standard tip on the torque side, and we got a ball end on the speed side. And what I mean by that is most of the time you're going to be breaking a bolt loose. You're going to drop this into the socket head, and you'll have this whole handle where you can apply pressure to it. Then when you get it loose, you can give it the old happy marriage, and you can finish spinning that guy out. Now the only issue with a ball end is if you have to drop that into a well and then put some kind of a cheater bar on here to break that thing free. Ball ends don't typically have a lot of surface area on them. They're mostly designed for going in at an angle, which is very important because quite often you do need to go at an angle. Now the interesting thing about this one is that if you look closely, you can actually see that there is a larger flat end on the edge of that ball. Most Allen wrenches don't actually have that, so this is going to give you more surface area on that ball end than you will normally get out of a ball end on an Allen. So that is an excellent design, and it does appear even the small ones also have that feature, so that is excellent. So yeah, those are some pretty sweet tools. Nice variety, easy to work with. I'm happy with that.